Hello friends, I am Tushti Arora. I am in 12th standard with medical subjects. So guys, what I personally believed after studying from Jitin Mittal sir in class 11th and also now in 12th, that there is a way of teaching. Every teacher is good. Every teacher is good in his or her own ways. But there is one thing that level of matching yourselves. आप एक बात ध्यान दें कि जब भी कोई टीचर एक टॉपिक समझाता है तो हम कभी कभी नहीं समझ पाते, बट हम जब अपने दोस्त के पास जाते हैं और उससे पूछते हैं कि यार ये समझा दे तो हमें समझ आ जाता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज वो हमें एक दोस्त की तरह पढ़ाता है कि अच्छा यार देख ऐसे होगा, ये ऐसे होगा. So it's like that. Jitin sir teaches you like a friend. He knows कि मेरे पास जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं वो उनको नहीं आती फिजिक्स. They are zero and I have to take them from this level to this level. मुझे उन्हें जीरो से शुरू करवाना है और उन्हें बहुत आगे तक लेके जाना है. And guys, the hard work that he puts in is amazing. I can explain that. One can only feel that because the way he goes step by step, the way he takes you from one step to the another, from another to a step more, that is very managed. Everything is so managed. The notes, the handwritten notes that he provides his children, and you can see notes, example of some of the notes on your right side. I'll be attaching it. So the notes, everything in the notes are like topic wise, topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, and when that particular thing ends, there are particular questions for those topics for you to practice. The assignments, the different assignment booklets that he prepares, amazing. And at the end of every chapter you will find a formula list of each chapter is attached in the notes, in the end of the notes, and you will find important derivations too. It makes your work very easy when you have a formula list. While doing numericals, you can open that formula list in front of you and can try so many numericals. Then after that, there is a rule that is followed by sir that every Sunday will be a test. Every Sunday will be a test. बेशक हमने एक टॉपिक किया है, हमने 2 टॉपिक कवर करे हैं, there will be a test. After that, in the end of the session, like if you are over with your syllabus, then there is a test series. Test series is so planned, so managed, you will be fully prepared before your exams. It is super amazing. And one more thing, the records that he maintains. The checking, the consistent checking that he do is amazing. Again, it's amazing. Can you just imagine the hard work that should be required in this all things. And after this, the ETPs. ETP is the exam time preparation booklet. He provides ETP for each and every chapter. Most important questions, previous year questions, all are included in that. Amazing things he do for his children. And you can see everything. I am attaching side by side on the right side. You can see that. After that, guys, there is one thing more that I want to mention, that he constantly updates parents that your child is doing good, your child is not focusing, or there is this issue with your child. There's a constant update. Every test update is sent personally to parents. Every marks report is sent personally to parents. So guys, if you are still not able to join the classes, or you're not able to feel like joining online classes because it's a big challenge, I can blindly say you, I can faithfully say you कि जितिन सर से पढ़ो. वो ऑनलाइन भी उतनी ही मेहनत करते हैं, इंस्टेड उससे बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हैं कि हमें समझ आए चीजें. वो बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा रहे हैं, वो बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में भी. और गाइज, यू विल नॉट ओनली गेट अ फिजिक्स टीचर फॉर लाइफ, बट अ लाइफ कोच. you'll get a life coach. आपके पास कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, आप जाओ उनके पास, he'll get you a solution. That's it.